Okay, hey guys, so I am coming with, I hope what I could say is a really quick tutorial. This is a special request video. Thank you guys so much for continuously sending in your requests. I know that sometimes it takes me some time. It's just that I have this crazy agenda and I want to make sure that I get certain things out at a certain time. So I'm finally working on this special request, and I will give you I will tag you down and below in the description so that you can know that this video was made just for you. Now, the first thing that I'm going to need is my Adobe Draw app. And I'm going to first get my image layer. So with this app, basically what you would do is you would create a new project and you would go to image layers and gallery. For this video, I could do either myself or my sister, but I love my sister's image, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with hers. I'm going to go ahead and say yes, that's what I want. And if you go to this 1, 2, 3, 3 over, and you see this little layer thing, it's talking about the layers that we have. So I'm going to click my image layer, and I'm going to turn my occupancy down. You know what? I'm actually going to delete it and start over, because what I wanted to do, you can actually move it around. So when I get it, I can turn it this way so it looks like she's sitting straight up rather than it's a sideways image like she took with her selfie. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And I did not ask my sister permission to share this video, so I will be sending her it before I post it, but I'm pretty sure my sister loves me and she doesn't mind. So I'm going to go ahead back to my draw layer. Make sure you guys do go back and forth, because you can't just, start on the other one. Like if I were here, oh, it still takes it, but I'm going to start with my draw layer. I'm going to delete this extra layer that sometimes come out of nowhere, because if you write on one, it's weird. So we're just going to work with this one draw layer at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is slowly begin to trace. You want to make sure that you like the size that it is. You can easily adjust it. You can zoom in and zoom out. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to start with this little hairline here. And I'm going to square it out and come around. Now for me, a lot of my drawings, I have to kind of like handwork it because I'm learning to draw. But for you guys who don't really know how to draw, tracing could be your best friend. I'm going to shadow this, turn this into a shadow, and I'm going to go ahead and bring her hair down. You can go ahead and color it in. This actually doesn't even look black. I'm going to go to my colors, change it to black. So pretty much that is her hair layer. Now I'm going to work on the little details like her eyebrow. Sometimes it can look weird, so you just undo. Then you can use the eraser if you want to shape it up. Want to make sure you bring the size down. This is where a little creativity comes in. You gotta be able to adjust. And I'm gonna go ahead and start working with her eyes. Zoomed in. Trace here. Back out. And I'm just going to begin to trace. Sometimes certain things don't look right, so you just want to feel around. It will not do everything for you guys. You're gonna kind of have to try some things out, figure some things out. attempt to draw it a certain way. I'm going to work on her other eye. She also has on lashes, so I'll go back and show you guys how I'm going to work on doing the details of her eyelashes. Alright guys, I apologize for my silence. I'm just concentrating as I trace this. I'm not the best tracer. Sometimes I actually work my hardest to draw the image. But just to show you guys how to trace it.